Color Classic on eBay. All that included was just a computer and a power cord. I bought it for parts only, parts of repair. It's very, very gold. I wouldn't even call it yellow. I would say it's gold. Seller said that when he plugged it in, it just made a loud hum, and that was it. Taking a quick look before I even try to power it on. I did bring, this is my keyboard, I brought that out. I knew about this damage here on the fan. Doesn't bother it too much, but this is where, that's rust. That's pure rust. I've never seen a computer that bad. Let's get a good look in there. Put the light on. Yeah, that is. I do not think this is going to turn on. I don't know how wet it was, but I mean, he said it did make a noise, so like a hum. And I know when working with these Macs, when you first plug them in, they make a hum. So I'm assuming this thing was in water or somewhere very humid. But let's go ahead and plug it in. It's got two of those. I find that interesting. Turn the light off. And moment of truth. So I heard that. Okay. But to turn on an old Mac, you need a keyboard. Oh. Oh. Nice. I hear a hard drive. Ooh. That's a bright picture. Please boot, please boot, please boot, please boot. Come on. I don't think it's gonna boot. Nah. This is scuzzy too. Try a reboot. So for something that's this terrible, I'm really shocked it boots. Well, turns on. Yeah, so hard drive's fine. Let's just power it down. One more time. I mean, a hard drive sounds good. But the only thing I think of just needs to have Mac OS reinstalled, which means I gotta get myself my system stuff and see how far I can make this PC go. I'm sorry, Macintosh. See if I can SAD Mac it. Ooh, SAD Macs. For people who are curious how I did that, so first, Control, Apple, and that will do the reset. And then, if I do this now, that's before it gets to the mouse cursor, and you do the Apple and that, so. And then we'll do Control. Now normally when it was working, before it gets to the happy Mac, so once you get that mouse cursor, so there we go. That's how you can SAD Mac your computer. And unfortunately, this phone is picking up way too bright, but trust me, there's a SAD Mac there. I don't know if I focus it on the heat. That's a SAD Mac, but yeah, so if you ever want to SAD Mac your computer, I don't know what this will work on. This is a 68K. Doesn't seem to work on my Power Macintosh G3. But I'm shocked it works with all that rust. Because like I said, I could swear this was water lodged. So I contacted the eBay seller though. I mean, I'm hoping it was insured. I'll take that. But I would like to restore this thing and get this thing fully functional. Replace the motherboard with a LC575's motherboard, which better processor, better support. But I think for now, I just want to have some fun with this. Find myself a... I don't have discs. I don't know where my discs are, but hopefully find the my external CD-ROM, and hopefully it'll boot off CD. So more to come on this wonderful Color Classic.